तुलसीदेव वै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्त्यै प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। तो वो ये देना कारण यही है, इसमें थोड़ा कम है, उसके नीचे करो। हाँ जी, चला जाएगा झट। So first of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto Lotus feet of my spiritual master.
One moment, please. We're trying a new connection. Oh, Gurudev.
Huh?
Hello, Gurudev.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. We can hear you now.
Yeah, sometimes the internet disconnect. I don't know where.
Yes.
So you also are the glories of life history of
I will ask for a new connection. One moment, please. They are busy with it. One moment, please.
चक्षुरुदं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाभितदारि कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकृतकृपा सिन्धुवेव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam lotus feet of my Gurupad, Padma Nityalila Prishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasi Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Sila Gurunda Goswami Maharaj, Sila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Sila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Sila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and present all of my respectful guests. So today we also celebrate Natural Option Vishwasa Bhakti Vedanta Trivikram Goswami Maharaj Disappearance Day. Uh, 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 yeah, Bhakti Vedanta Tirtha Maharaj. And in morning I also talk about Hindi, his life history and his contribution, how he dedicate his life to serve his Guru and Vaishnava. And this is very important in our spiritual life. Saranga Saranagati Haive Jahar Tahara Prarthana Sinanda Kumar. One who completely surrender lotus feet of Guru and Krishna, then Lord will listen his prayers. We say Tirtha Maharaj, and when he came in Devananda Gaurimat, and that time he was maybe only 12 or 13 years old, and he also Bhandari in Devananda Gaurimat. He also servicing under guidance of my uncle Srila Om Vishnuvad Ashtotra Madhusudan Maharaj. Then he came in Mathura. Gurudev brought him Mathura, and then he also received the direct mercy from Srila Gurudev before he took also Diksha and Harinam from Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj. But he completely dedicated his life to lotus feet of Nityalila Parishtam Vishnupad Ashtotra Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And he also learned many slokas here. I saw when I also came in Mathura, I saw he always absorbed to study Shastra and servicing Guru and Vaishnavas. Most of the time, he also read Srimad Bhagavatam, and so for this regard, and all Vaishnavas gave him title Bhagavat Bhushan, and he was very expert about Srimad Bhagavatam, and 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 when he spoke about Srimad Bhagavat Kathamritam, mostly he absorbed the sweet pastimes of Krishna. For this regard, his heart completely melted and tears rolling down. And he always also servicing Guru and Vaishnav Seva and Guru Seva. And day and night he absorbed to servicing Guru and Vaishnav, and he also wrote Srimad Bhagavatam transcribed in Hindi, Bengali to Hindi, and nowadays also this Hindi Srimad Bhagavatam actual he transcribed and in Bengali to Hindi, very nice and beautiful he's also this. And he always absorbed to read Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, the commentary of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Sanatan Goswami Pad, and Jiv Goswami Pad, Tika, and he also absorbed to read, I saw in Vedanta Darshan also, and mainly his focus to serve Guru and Vaishnavas. Because our Shastra explain the Guru Sususwa Bhakta Sarva Labhinacha. Sangena Sadhunam Isra Aradhaninacha. And in this way, he also served Guru and Vaishnava. And now actually we lost things when he was staying in this material world. Maybe we cannot understand his personality, because our Shastra also saying in this way, when our teeth and with us, that time we cannot give to respect our teeth, how the teeth are important. When we lose our teeth, then we realize that, what is the value of teeth. In the same way, when Vaishnava was with us, that time we cannot realize about the importance of Guru and Vaishnavas. This is true also. Just we also feeling when Gurudev with us, and that time so much love and affection with Gurudev. But when Gurudev departed from this material world, then we are feeling, and if we got very valuable and precious things, now we lose. These things also. And actual, in the same way, Tirtha Maharaj, and now we also lost valuable things, and how his personality and serviceable mode, and day and night, and very always he also and smiling face. And we saw when he we saw he never tired or lazy in his any service. Always he was absorbed to service Guru and Vaishnavas. And especially he took responsibilities, the lead the program Brajamandal Parikrama and Navadvip Dham Parikrama. And sometimes some brahmacharis or sannyasis, they also use car for going this way. But I did not see Tirtha Maharaj, he took any car or any other things. He always going to Brajamandal Parikrama in bus, and he also when all the pilgrimage yatri they are going, then he is going to last, and he arranged everything, and he took all the responsibilities also, daitya. And sometimes brahmacharis playing mridanga kartal, sometimes they left mridanga kartal, they did not bring, but not taking responsibilities. By Tirtha Maharaj, he himself, he took the responsibilities, and he also spoke very nice, sweet Hari Katha. Everybody heard and charmed, and his Tattva Siddhanta is also perfect. How he entered in deep philosophy, Tattva Siddhanta. And for this regard, and Srila Gurudev and Srila Nityananda Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj also gave him Bhagavad Bhushan, and his title also Bhagavad Bhushan, as like Premananda Prabhu is also title that is called Seva, Seva Ratna or Seva Vigraha. And in the same way, and Vaishnava Gaudiya Vaishnava also gave him the title Bhagavad Bhushan, because he was very expert in Srimad Bhagavatam, Tattva Siddhanta, Rasmadhurja, everything he spoke very nicely and fluently. And this way, and he preached also and all over the world, and especially mainly he preached in China. Most of the time he also he preached in China, and also he preached in Bengal, So most of the time he also spent in Bengal, and he has lots of Bengalis devotees for this regard every year. And many Bengalis devotee is to come Brajmandal Parikrama and especially Navadvip Dham Parikrama. And 3-4 months he also preached in Bengal. He used to go house to house and begging rice and sabji for Navadvip Dham Parikrama. And then when he returned back, and he also, and again he also to serve. Sometimes cook not coming, and that time he himself also cooked. I remember once, and some cook, they also did not come and on time. Maybe in 3-4 after 1 or 2 days they will come, and that time Gurudev become very anxious and who will cook, because that time so many Jatris has come. And that time I saw Tirtha Maharaj, just he came from Bengal Prachar, and then he also start to cook also everybody. And so I saw he, how he also to serve Guru and Vaishnavas, and without any hesitation, and he servicing, and doing even also in Hari Katha, and sometimes he also I saw and Gurudev saying, where is Tirtha Maharaj? He can speak some Hari Katha. And that time he was cooking. Just he also, I saw he was putting original gamcha. And he come and also took microphone and start to speak also. And he was very eager to also speaking Hari Katha also. And sometimes devotee is saying, if you speak, oh, I will speak, not speak. And I am prepared, I am not prepared. Sometimes devotees are saying, oh, I am not prepared, maybe I will speak tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I am not prepared. This. But I saw Tirtha Maharaj, he has no need to any preparation to speak.
Connection got lost. One moment, please.
Okay. So just I also, so I discussed how Tirtha Maharaj was so much enthusiastic and to speak Hari Katha and servicing Guru and Vaishnavas, and he has also main power. He was how to leading the people also, and understand sometimes heavy chastisement to everybody, and simultaneously he also gives so much love and affection. So
Connection is very bad today. Please wait. Still nothing. We are working on it.
Good. Yes, I just checked. Madhi doesn't have unmuted.
Maybe check from there.
Yeah, that is. Wait, this unmuted this. Madhi does. Anyone?
Haribol, there listen.
Yes, we have sound.
I'll talk to him. Maybe he can try something there.
Haribol, there to listen.
Now it's muted there.
Okay. So now, Haribol,
You can unmute Madhi Didi, Madhi Dasi.
This is Madhav. This is Madhav. He's
You
muted.
muted.
And I'm not
And Gurdev unmuted. Yes, and Gurdev unmute.
Haribol,
Yes.
okay, so
Yeah. So we also discuss how Pujapat Tirtha Maharaj completely dedicated his life to Guru Seva and also leading to our Brajamandal Parikrama and Navadip Dham Parikrama also. And especially Vishwaji, Srimad Bhagavatam explained the 26 qualities of the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavi 26 gun, 26 qualities of Vaishnavas. We saw Tirtha Maharaj also he has 26 qualities of Vaishnavas. Kripalu, Akritadho, Satta Samasar, Vadanno, Kobi, Daksha, Mauni. All these qualifications he had. And he has so much compassion to all the living entities. We see in Brajamandala Parikrama, sometimes poor people, they has no money to travel with us in Brajamandala Parikrama. But sometimes he's saying, no need to pay, just you come. Sometimes people, they also checking you have ticket or not, anything. But when Tirtha Maharaj he used to come, he told, come in this bus. And even the bus full or not, he is saying all everybody come. And sometimes he did not sit on the seat also. And he gave the seat to the Jatris. And all we sit, maybe he seated on the floor and he also and everybody in this way. And so much compassion and love and affection with the Jatris, and sometimes we saw he also carried the luggage of the Jatris and his own head also. And Omani Manada, he completely also dedicated his life, and he never hankering for his name, fame, and reputation. And, and he was very ordinary and person. And sometimes people cannot understand and his and Vaishnavism and so, and always give love and affection to everybody to say it, and how to, if everybody will to prasad, and then he also clean that the place also, and he also looking everybody's, and if anybody also becomes sick, and he also give medicine to also though he was not doctor but he also collect the medicine. He also giving medicine to everybody. I saw also these things. Um, and his medicine also working. You know how this is the transcendental. Sometimes we will ask, how do you know these things? Even he also, and he also, I saw he's a great engineer also, and all qualifications, especially I saw in this Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Math, when also construction was going on, and most of the time he was staying in here and helping and to the how to develop this building this way. He also sometimes he also asks to the engineer, you have to do this way, everything also. And in Bengali, one word saying juta slide to Chandipat. That means he knows and A to Z, all kinds of these things. And to worship Thakurji, deities, everything is also these things. And his servicial mood always this way. So as we see this, the Vaishnava and 26 gun, there are 26 qualities of Vaishnavas. He has Kripalu, Akritodoha, Sattva Samasar, Badanno, Maitri, and he makes the friendship to the all the people. He did not discriminate who is bad, who is good, these things. And he give love and affection, gents and ladies, everybody also. Even he also patting on the back of the everybody's. And if anybody paid obeisances, then he also patting on his back and giving the blessing to him also. So sometimes also people also they can understand his external behavior. Sometimes they also disrespect to him. Oh, he is not following these rules. Actually, this is his spontaneous nature, and his actual this is the nature of Mahabhagavata. And sometimes also when he spoke Harikatha, he cried, and especially when he spoke about the glorification of Gopi Srimati Radhika, and especially when he used to go Uddhav Kyari, and when he spoke about Srimati Radhika's Dibba Unmadasa transcendental madness, and most of the time he also cried, and sometimes he also absorbed in mood that is called bhavavishta, and sometimes 2-3 minutes he cannot and speak, just remembering this way. So these types of his qualification with us. When he was with us, maybe we could not understand his mood. Now we realized Yahweh is great. He was great Vaishnavas, and so Vaishnavas is also this way, and all is qualified. For this regard, every Vaishnavas also loved him. Even in not only India, he also preached Western country, and England, America, Australia, Malaysia, Chinese, and most of that his preaching place in Chinese, and so many Chinese devotees also follow to him also. And I saw, and how he has even no one know Chinese language, but he preached in China also. And and also going to different way Holland. I think few times he also came in Holland also, and also Italy, Germany, France, and through England, and I say he was staying also with me in England few times. And when Gurudev was in England, and he was staying with us also, England also with us, and he spoke Hari Katha, um, and also cooking also, Saidi. And if anybody not cooking, and he cooked these things. He's not thinking, oh, I'm Indian sannyasi, but he did not think these things. And he completely heard beyond of bodily conception. And, and he also always observed cooking, servicing, and speaking Hari Katha. This is life history also. And writing books. And sometimes Kesavji Gaudiya when he was staying, just he was staying in front of me, that next door, I saw, and about 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. still he was writing Bhagavatam. Then after 3 o'clock, then he chanted Gayatri mantra, holy finished holy names. Then after taking bath, he attended Mangalarti. After Mangalarti, again he also and he was writing Srimad Bhagavatam and other things also in this way. And so he has no time to any spent with mundane talk. And I never saw he spoke any mundane talk. Always he was absorbed his servicing, Nam Sankirtan and Hari Seva, Guru Seva, Vaishnava Seva. And understand these things also. This is his life history. Actually, this is the teaching. Always is absorbed to service. And never he criticized also any Vaishnava Ninda. Um, but sometimes he also have a chastisement to someone. If he see someone is any fault, then have a chastisement. Even simultaneously after a few minutes, again he also embracing, kissing, climbing his shoulder, and as like a small baby, Sisuva. And our Shastra also saying this way. And if the bhakti prem one's heart, then his symptoms should be this way. And sometimes he was as like a child also, and laughing, joking, and this way this. So has so many glorification, and so what I will speak, and just I also remember, now we also actual lost valuable precious things. And because in Rai Ramanand Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks, Dukkha madhye kon dukkha hoy guru tara. And there are so many unhappiness in this material world, but the topmost dukkha unhappiness, that is called when we separate from Shuddha Vaishnava. And but now we are also what to do. And never he also asked anything. And I heard few years he also suffering from his chest pain, and but he did not tell to anyone also. And he did not tell to anyone he had chest pain or do these things. Just departed 2 days before, a strong chest pain, and but he did not tell to anyone. And he did not take service to anyone also. And but when his body could not working, that time devotees also brought him in Calcutta and admitted in hospital, nursing hospital. Then he entered and in his Nitya Leelas to serve his study Devi Srimati Radhika, and he is now with, I believe, now he is meeting with our beloved Gurudev, and he's servicing together with Raman Manjari, and servicing to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. And so Gurudev, and he is very nearest and dear Gurudev, and so must be he in Golok Vrindavan, he is servicing and to Srimati Radhika, under guidance of Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Araman Manjari, and etc. Jai Sri Tirtha Maharaj ki jai. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. And he may bless to us. Then we can also to serve Guru and Vaishnav. And Guru Premanandi Hari Hari Bola. Jai Sri Gurudev ki jai, Tirtha Maharaj ki jai, और भक्त वृंद की जय. So everybody had to learn and his life history, how he dedicate his life Guru and Krishna, and especially how he is servicing Guru and Vaishnavas, Guru Seva and Vaishnava Seva. And because our Shastra is saying, who is called Vaishnava? And Saralatai Vaishnavata, who is very simply, and he is called Vaishnava. And so Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada explained in the same way, who is called Brahmana? Who is called Brahmana? Who is simplicity is the Brahmanism. Our simplicity, our Brahmanism is called the perfect Vaishnavism. And Saralatai Brahmanata and Brahmanatai Vaishnavata. And so for this regard, how will become simple, no duplicity, no hypocrisy, and so we say his life history, and he dedicated his life Guru and Vaishnava Seva, and he worshipped also his Thakurji and Giriraj Govardhan also, and I saw his also, and he always worshipped Giriraj Govardhan, so must be Giriraj Govardhan, and Srimati Radhika will give mercy. And so we pray to his Giriraj Govardhan and Srimati Radhika, and this way. And he also, not only this, he also opened his own center in Barsana. Barsana is the birthplace of Srimati Radhika. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur also explained, and where I will take birth, and where Srimati Radhika's birthplace I will take birth. For this regard, he is moved also. For this regard, he also opened one temple in Kirti Mahal temple in there also. Very nice, beautiful temple. And so is very nearest and dearest of Srimati Radhika. And because Bhaktivinoda Thakur also explained, Vishabhanu Pure Janama Loivo Javote Vibaho Hove Vishabhanu Pure Janama Loivo Javote Vibaho Hove. So he, for this regard, his mood, his highest mood for this regard, he also opened one temple in Barsana also. And what is the ray, what is called? Prema Barsha, the shower of rain of divine love of Srimati Radhika. And so I remember, must be his thinking, this is best place, Vishabhanupur, as Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And so I again and again pay his lotus feet. One day I'll do serve Guru and Vaishnavas, and knowingly, unknowingly, if I commit offense, his lotus feet, he give me forgiveness, because forgiveness is called the great virtue, the Kshama Parama Dharma. And so I pray my elder brother and Tirtha Maharaj, he give blessing to us, and wherever he is now in with Srimati Radhika, Raman Manjari, and also Binod Manjari, and Nayanmani Manjari, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and that is called. And so they will give mercy. One day we will enter deep bhajan and sadhan and serve Guru and Vaishnava. Guru Premanandi Hari Hari. So everybody pay your obeisances to Tirtha Maharaj and Guru Premanandi Hari Hari. Now and 5:20 we have to next program.